Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So a lot of times what I've seen a lot of HubSpot users do when they need to schedule a meeting with their prospects or their customers is that they'll directly share their meeting link and then ask the prospect or the customer to book a time slot as per their availability. Nothing wrong with that, but what that does is it adds one or two more steps into this process wherein someone would then need to click on the link, then select a time slot and fill in their details and then schedule a call. Instead of doing that, there's a very handy feature which I see very few people using, and I feel it's a very underrated feature, is sending out proposed times. So I'll just show you how to do it. First of all, for this to happen, you need to have the Sales Chrome extension installed, the HubSpot Sales Chrome extension installed on your Chrome browser. And post that, once it's installed, you'll see this meetings CTO here. So if you click on this, you get two options. One is the insert proposed time, and one is schedule links. Just put in this particular contact. I'll click on meetings. I'll click on insert proposed times. And over here, now if you see, I have all of my times available. So I can just select any of these times. So this will also ensure that you only select times in which you are available. So I'll just select any of those. You can provide up to 10 proposed time slots to your prospects. And once it's done, if I want this to be a video call, I just click on video conference. So what this will do is, while sending out the invite, it will also send out the meeting link for this call. So I selected all of these time slots. I click on insert times. And now if you see, all of these time slots appear on the inbox itself. So whenever your end user or the person you're sending out this mails to open this email, you can just click on any of these time slots and book a time. So that's how easy it is, and that's how easy you can make it for your prospects and customers to book a time with. So I'm hopeful that this is helpful and you could use it in your day-to-day operations. Thank you.